Editing a utility bill for Payoneer is essential when updating your address or submitting documents for verification. However, it's crucial to know that you should not alter any official documents fraudulently. If you need to change the address on a utility bill, follow these steps. Obtain a copy of your utility bill. Access your utility provider's online portal or contact their customer service to get a digital or physical copy of your recent bill. Edit the document. Use PDF editing software or image editing tools to change the address. Ensure that you keep all original formatting and necessary details, such as your account number and payment history. Add a note. If the edit is for verification purposes, consider adding a note stating that this is a corrected document for your Payoneer account. Save the changes. Save the edited document in PDF or image format, ensuring it meets Payoneer's file size and quality requirements. Submit to Payoneer. Log into your Payoneer account, navigate to the settings section, and upload the edited utility bill under the appropriate verification category.